Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get an EduMail for yourself. So let's say you want to use an EduMail for a particular reason and you need it so urgently. In today's video I'm going to show you an exact site that would get you an EduMail completely for free. So I'm going to be answering this question of my subscriber who asked me, how do I get an EduMail for free? In today's video I just found the site that can help you do that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click the link down below and it's going to bring you over to this web page. But guys, just to show you guys that this is working, you can see right here on Canva. All right, right here on Canva you can see we have this EduMail being set up for us, and you can see right here on this particular platform as well we have this EduMail being set up for us. So you're so sure to be having it work for you. You want to click on this drop down menu right here. All right, and if you click on this drop down menu right here, you're going to be having this instant temp mail, private temp mail, advanced temp mail, Gmail temp mail, pro features, and lastly guys, you can see we have the Edu temp mail. So if you click on this particular one right here, this is where you're going to be generating the unlimited Edu mails for yourself. You are not restricted, you're paying no money, and you can use this exact email address on any social site, on any platform, on any website of your choice. So we're going to be testing this out right here. Although I used it out on my Canva, I also tried that on so many other sites, but just to show you guys that this works super fine, I'm going to be using this exact email generator to create an account on a different platform. So the first thing we're going to do right here is you can see we have, from this drop down menu here, we have some edu domains that you can think of. Basically we have three. You can see we have edu.rs, edu.rs, and we also have edu.pl. It doesn't it just have to do with what you want. Absolutely. So it actually depends on what you want to use. So for me, I'm going to be working with this one that says edu.rs, and I'm going to click on new email. All right, and if you do click on new email, you can see you already have a new email created for you. So I'm going to copy this particular email address and I'm going to come over to this particular website called Card. So I want to create a free account right here on Card with my EduMail. So quickly, I'm just going to click on login, or basically let me come down here and click on sign up. All right, and right from here, I'm just going to put in my name. For the email address, I'm going to input the EduMail that we got from this particular website. All right, so from here I'm going to input my password really quick. I'm also going to input the password again. All right, then I'm going to click on I've read and agree to terms of use and privacy policy. I'm going to click on sign up and let's see what happens. All right guys, so you can see we have our account already created. So you see this actually works, but just to verify much further, I'm going to request for a verification email. So I'm going to click on send verification email. All right, and you can see that the email a verification email has been sent to this particular email. So I'm going to come back to my EduMail. All right, and guys, so you can see immediately we got a verification code. So I'm going to open this right here. All right, and now guys, you're going to be finding it right here that it says verify your account. So all of this worked. All right, so I'm going to click on verify my account, open in a new tab, and let's see what happens. All right guys, so you can see we already have our accounts verified, and right here you can see that our account has been verified already. I'm going to click on done, and guys, this is it. We already have our card account verified for us. Let me quickly open up my dashboard. And you can see a new account has been created right here using our EduMail. All right guys, just to make this much more clearer, apart from you being able to generate EduMails, you can also generate all kind of mails directly from the site. So if your plan has been to get temporary emails, or maybe emails that can be used for verification, sign-ups, OTP receiving and all like that, you just found a tool that can help you get unlimited access to different email type of your choice. For instance, now you can get access to only Gmail account. So let's say you want to create a particular account and you need a Gmail account. This is going to serve you well. You can get access to unlimited Gmail temporary email addresses, and of course if you want to have an advanced email address that would have to do with the domain, you can get it right here. And for instance, now let's say you decide to go with a private email address for sending anonymous messages, you can use this particular one right here. Now to make this much clearer to you guys, again, you should know that you don't have to pay money to access all of this. It's completely for free. Use the link down below. It's going to bring you over to this website. Now once you are here on this particular website, Please guys, you should know that those emails are basically temporary email addresses. You don't have access to them for a lifetime, but you can use them in getting OTPs as quick as you can, and they can last for as long as 7 days. So it means that even if you receive an OTP today, you can come back tomorrow and still find your OTP right on your dashboard. So if you look right here guys, you can see with the free plan, which is free forever, you can get access to 50 new emails every single day, right? And look at those guys, you're going to be having access to a 14-day cloud storage. It means that your emails, your OTPs, your sign-ups, everything that you're getting can be live on the platform for 14 days, meaning only you get to see it, only you get to have access to it for 14 good days. Now this is much more longer and much more duration wise than every other temporary email address I've found, and that is why I'm happy to share this with you guys. So you don't have to worry if your email is going to be deleted after 30 seconds. No, you can have your emails, your OTPs, your links and everything stored up for you for as long as 14 days. Amazing. All right guys, so if you found this helpful, I want you to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. And to my subscriber who asked me this question, I hope I was able to answer your question. I'll see you in the next one guys. Take care of yourself and bye.